Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be talking about the 4 kinds of doneness in meat, the nutrient content of meat, and the market forms of meat. What are the 4 kinds of doneness in meat? Rare. When pressed with a finger, the meat is very soft with jelly-like texture. When you gently touch the thumb and forefinger together, that is what a rare steak feels like. Medium rare. When pressed with a finger, meat feels springy and resistant. Gently touch the thumb and middle finger together. That is what medium rare feels like. Medium or medium well. When pressed with a finger, meat feels firm and there is a definite resistance. Gently touch the thumb and ring finger together. That is what medium well feels like. Well done. When pressed with a finger, the meat feels hard and rough. Gently touch the thumb and pinky together. That is what well done feels like. What about in raw meat? The soft flesh part of your palm between the thumb and wrist when relaxed is a perfect example of what a raw steak feels like. What are the nutrient content of meat? High quality protein is a major constituent of meat, after water accounting for about 20% of its weight. Meat contains 7 grams of protein per ounce. Fat content can vary widely according to the grade of meat and its cut. Meat contains very little carbohydrates. Glycogen, found in liver and muscle tissue, is present when the animal is alive, but the glucose that makes up the glycogen is broken down to lactic acid during and after slaughter. Meat is an excellent source of certain B vitamins like thiamine B1, riboflavin B2, pyridoxine B6, cobalamin B12, niacin B3, and some folate. Niacin is obtained from tryptophan, an amino acid plentiful in meats and milk. Meat is an excellent source of iron, zinc, copper, phosphorus, and a few other trace minerals. So what are the safe cooking temperature for various meat? In beef rare, the safe cooking temperature is 52 degrees Celsius or 125 degrees Fahrenheit. In beef medium, the safe cooking temperature is 57 degrees Celsius or 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Beef medium well, the safe cooking temperature is 68 degrees Celsius or 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Beef well done, the safe cooking temperature is 71 degrees Celsius or 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Ground beef, the safe cooking temperature is 74 degrees Celsius or 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And pork, the safe cooking temperature is 71 degrees Celsius or 160 degrees Fahrenheit. What are the market forms of meat? We have fresh meat, meat that is recently slaughtered, has not been preserved or frozen. Chilled meat, meat that is placed in chiller or slightly cold. Cured meat, meat preserved by salting, smoking, or aging. Processed meat, meat preserved by chemical process. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you again on my next video.